Hello guys, today I am going to discuss about new Panda PAN56MGW2. So, let's start. 1. Space saving design makes laundry easy and simple. 2. Perfect for apartment, RV, and dorm. 3. Dimension is 36x22x22 inches. 4. 11 pounds washing capacity with durable stainless steel drum. 5. 10 washing programs and 8 water levels. For price, click the link in the description box.
Hey guys, so this video is going to be a review on the Panda fully automatic washing machine. So I just opened it. This is the first thing on top. So somehow the bottom was already open, and we literally just pulled it up and it came out. So we had placed it in front of our sink. So that folds when you open. And you have the manual with some screws. And then you have the inside. And on the inside, you have the hose. Good. Softener goes here. So now we have it hooked up. So pretty much, you connect this and then go to the faucet, and then the drain pipe is right there. So right now, I have about 15 to 16 stuff, like shirts and stuff in here. I still have space for more, but we're just gonna go with this amount just to see how it washes. I don't know what kind of soap is supposed to be used in this, but I'm using regular Tide soap. Here. So then this closes. Now you have the different settings. Let's put that on 3. Yeah, we're gonna put a normal. Yeah, and that's it. You can't really see me. So it shows like what each number or letter shows up. So right now it says BB. So pretty much BB means wash. Each number, when choosing on program, it shows you what number 1 to 2 each number is. And also this is the Panda PAN56MGW2. I haven't seen any reviews on it, and it's mostly by the water. Watch this overflow because when you put it on level 8, my poor clothes are drowning. I think you're able to put child lock because, you know, this woman over here don't know how to do play. I think you click it together. No. So we silenced everything in the apartment, and pretty much this hasn't made a lot of noise as for now as it's washing. We'll see when it starts to drain to see how much noise it actually makes, but the noise is pretty minimal, nothing too loud. It's draining. And it holds. Now it's spinning. It didn't make that much noise. It's probably taking out like the last bit of water before it starts rinsing again. So yeah, so pretty much it tells you what it's doing. So before it showed BB, now it's showing CC, which is for rinse. Now it's rinsing, so it's taking its water. So pretty much it does a few spins to drain out all the dirty water. So it stopped. When it stops, it makes it has like a beeping sound. It's not too loud, but it isn't like too quiet either. It's like a decent sound. The clothes, they're not dripping, they're not drenched, or it pretty much, it's kind of like damp. So it's pretty good. So yeah, so that's the Panda PAN56MGW2. I like it, it's pretty good.